Hello everyone. So in previous video we have got the basic understanding or basic overview of the compose. So now let's jump into the actual coding stuff. So we will make a try to so we will try to use different components of the compose and see the behavior and see how they are working. So for that I need to first open my the first component in our list is text view. So let's see how we can show text on in compose. So for that I need to open my Android Studio and create a new project. Select empty activity, and here I will name it as compose basics. Compose basic app. This would be good actually. Compose. Actually, let's cancel it. I will create a new project. Select empty activity and compose basic app. Hit finish. It will take some time to index our project. Okay, so the indexing and syncing process have been completed. So we are here in our main activity. So here I will remove the default code from here. So I will remove this, and here we have main activity on create, set content, compose theming, and here I will remove this text too, and here I will use the text view to show any text to the user. So I will write text. Okay, and in this I will say this is my first text, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so actually I need to not to remove the sum of the portion from here. So I will only remove this portion here, and okay. Okay, so I will type here text, and in this we have a property name as text is equal to this is my text, and here we have the option of split. So I will click on split, and okay, build and refresh it. Okay, so still nothing shown here, and it's showing the error log that no preview found. So the thing is, we cannot directly preview it in our live preview here. So for that I will make another function name as main body, and put the text in here, and now write main body here, but here as to make it composable, I will use this annotation add composable. So main body composable, and the next thing that is I need to render this body in here. So for that I will make another function named as main body preview and call it main body in it, and annotate this main body preview as a composable and also preview. So now our preview is showing here, and if I make decrease its size, so this is my text, but if I want to increase the size of this text, so for that we have property names as font size. Let's make it 20.sp. So our text size has been increased to 20 sp, and let's make it bold. For that we have the property in here named as font weight. Let's make it bold. Okay, and also we have different variations of font like bold, semi bold, medium, extra bold, light bold. Let's make it extra bold. Okay, it's extra bold now, and let's make it light. Okay, so it's light now. So these are the properties that we used most of the times when we are dealing with showing any kind of text to the user. And the next thing is would be the color. Yes, color which we want to show. I will make back to bold, and here we will need to show the color here. So we cannot not use the resources color in our compose components, although we have a different approach to using colors in that, and these are would be color, and here we will define whichever color we want to use in our compose components. So here I will pick this purple color and paste it here. Okay, this color has been applied, and if we want to add any other color in here, so for that we just need to copy this line below here. Let's make, say we want to show yellow color to the user, so I named it as yellow, and click on it and select yellow, and whatever shade I would like to select. So let's apply here yellow. So the color is not reflected here. So this is the point here, is that whenever we add any modification to any other file which are related to this compose component, so we need, for that we need to rebuild the project. So for that I will click on it and build and refresh. Okay, so as you can see here, the yellow color have been applied here. So same way as if I want to show the green color here, so I will copy this line, green, and select this color plate here and select green from this. Okay, and now if I want to show green color here, green, and to reflect this change I need to build and refresh the layout, as it's after refreshing it's not updated, it's showing some error here. So for that I will click on build and refresh. Okay, so in this way our green color has been applied to our text. So what's the next component? And that's a button. So let's see how we can use button in our compose components. So I will comment this first component and right here button. Okay, and in this button we have here on click, and in this we can add any action we want to perform against when user click on this button. And here we will need to provide the component which we want to show in the area or border within the areas of button. So here I will write as use text component and submit. Okay, the submit button has been applied here. So the next thing is the on click button, which will be triggered whenever user click on this submit button. So any action we can perform here. So the next point is how we can change the width of this button. So to do any kind of styling to the components, like changing the background color, setting the height and width of any component, compose have a generic property named as modifier, which will be available in all of the components is in of compose. So here I will name it modifier width 200, and it will accept value in dp 200 dp and comma here. Okay, so as you can see here 200 width has been applied to this button. So the next is how we can change the height of this. So we will change another method here, height, and let's make it 100 dp. Okay, so as you can hear, height of this button has been increased. So let's make it back to the previous state by deleting this methods. So the some of times we want the width of the button according to the device width, like it will occupy the full width of the device which is available to the button. So for that we have fill max width, which will occupy all the available width which is uh, available by the device. Okay, so now it's occupying the whole width of the device. So let's test this component directly on our device and see the effect of this one. So for that I will connect my mobile device with this system. So our physical device has been connected to our system and Android Studio. Uh, so let's run this component independently on our device. So for that we just need to click on this play button, and this component will be directly run on our physical device. And this is the beauty of the Compose, that it allows you to test your components directly on your physical device without running the whole app. So our button have been successfully submitted, showing on our physical device. So let's see, is it responding to our click events? Yes. So let's show any logged log when user click on the button. So I will, and here has log t, and button clicked, and here I will need to make a tag variable here. Okay, and now run the app again. Okay, now I will go to the logs here, and click on it. Actually it's showing too much logs here, so let's filter out these logs. Main activity, and now when I click on this button, it's showing button clicked, button clicked. So our click event is working just like this. And let's change the color of this text, or background color of this button. So here that I will click on code and refactor our code, reformat our code. Okay, so here let's change the color of this text. So for that we can use color property, and let's make it green. Okay, now